In the previous lecture, we have seen how to perform form validations. Now, in this lecture, we'll see how to create Django forms. So, we have forget the percentages and okay, let's once again check it. Okay, we haven't seen anything. Why? Just check it once. We declared wrong field name. So, just check it again and okay, cool. Test 1. Great. This is how we can create our users. Again, if we want template view, if we want to go our form underscore view, sorry, I need to specify blog, correct spelling, and okay, great. And let me give any name and okay, no, okay. It will show us all the objects of our models. So if we create another user just like ABC, and it will show us all the users. Fair enough. So this is how. Let me show you one more. .com. Just refresh it. Okay, cool. So this is how we can explicitly shows all the objects, all the users which we have created in our Django admin site in our models called name register. This is how we can create it, and this is it for the section. And what we have seen in this section, we have seen views, URL cons, template rendering, models, forms, the dynamic Django admin site where we have created users, we have deleted users, the Django, the facilities what Django provides, and so on. So this is the end for the section, and in the next section we'll see in depth about views. We'll create our views, our dynamic views, class views, etc. So without a further ado, see you in the next video. We have seen how to create Django forms in our template. In next lecture, we'll see how to create detail view.